Hello and welcome to the Alankar Pharmacy classes again, and in this video I will explain about the applications of distillation. So let's start. So first of all, what is distillation? Distillation is a type of a unit operation for separation of liquids based on differences in volatility. And distillation is a physical separation, not a chemical reaction. So the first application of distillation in pharmacy is the preparation of aromatic waters. In this case, the coarsely grounded portion of plant from which aromatic water is to be prepared is placed in a suitable still with sufficient water and distilled. The excess oil collected with the distillate and forms layer over the aqueous layer. The aqueous layer is then clarified by suitable filtration procedures. The examples are strong rose water NF and orange flower water NF, and these two aromatic waters are prepared by these methods. The second application is extraction of essential oils. Essential oils have been used in the folk medicines throughout the history. Essential oils are fragrant, oily liquids extracted from various parts of plants. Steam distillation is one of the commonly used methods for the extraction of many such useful oils. In recent published research, myristicin content in nutmeg oil was increased using distillation method. Myristicin is actually a primary aromatic compound of nutmeg oil. It is effective chemoprotective agent against cancer and also possesses hepatoprotective activity. The third application is increasing the concentration of alcohol. Alcohol is one of the oldest drugs used by humans. Isopropyl alcohol or rubbing alcohol is used to clean wounds and to cool skin. Alcohol boils at 78.5 degrees Celsius and water at 100 degrees Celsius at 1 atmospheric pressure. Ethanol has high vapor pressure than water because it is more volatile. Ethanol has high vapor pressure than water and requires less energy to get converted into vaporized form than the conversion of water to steam. The distillate obtained is a mixture of high portion of alcohol with water. The mixture of 95.63% ethanol and 4.37% water boils at 78.2 degrees Celsius, which is less than the boiling point of both alcohol and water, and thus making it difficult to distill further. So one of the way to obtain higher fraction of alcohol is by using third component or entrainer, for example benzene or cyclohexane. And the another way to obtain more purified alcohol is by using dehydrating agent for selective absorption of aqueous phase. The fourth application is preparation of water for injection. There are various sources of water for injection for preparation of various sterile pharmaceutical products. As per US Pharmacopoeia, sterile water for injection USP is sterile, non-pyrogenic distilled water in a single dose container for intravenous administration after addition of a suitable solute. As per US Pharmacopoeia, water of injection may be made only by distillation or reverse osmosis. The fifth application is recovery of organic solvents. Organic solvents are widely used in pharmaceutical companies. Various solvents are used at any step of synthesis pathway of an active substance or excipient, drug product formulations and analysis. Solvents are recovered using distillation methods. For example, ketones, acetones, aliphatic hydrocarbons, alcohols, ethers, tetrahydrofurans and halogenated solvents. Recycling of organic solvent prevents deteriorating environmental effects. The sixth application is preparation of paraffin. Paraffin is obtained by distillation of crude petroleum followed by purification process. Paraffin is insoluble in water and generally used to prepare hydrophobic topical ointments and W/O cream. Seventh application is preparation of drug formulation. Some of the formulations are prepared by using distillation method, for example spirit of nitrous ether and aromatic ammonia spirit. The eighth application is quality control methods. Distillation methods are used for the determination of alcohol content, for example alcohol content in elixir and the estimation of vitamin E in food and oils. And now there are few more applications of distillation, for example purification of vitamin A and D, sterols and hormones is performed by using distillation process. So this is all with the today's topic. Hope you all have liked this video. Please share with your colleagues who are in the search of this topic. Thank you friends.